Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact from your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a contact in HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you reach out to a potential client and they write back with a nasty message. So sometimes it's better just to go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete a contact, here on the top menu, go ahead and click on leads. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in HoneyBook. So you're just going to scroll through until you find the contact you want to delete. If you have a huge list, you can go ahead and use the search feature right here. Once you found the contact you'd like to go ahead and remove or delete, there's actually a couple of different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is just check the box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on this trash can button here on the top. Alternatively, you can go ahead and click on the three dots next to their name over here. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you just click on delete contact. Once you do that, you're going to see this warning. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this contact from your company list? If so, click on this red delete contact button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that contact has been removed from my HoneyBook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.